This video is created by Top Developers. Top Developers is a community for all developers as well as freshers. So, what kind of community is Top Developers? First of all, I want to say this is my first video. In this video, I'm gonna describe you that what's the use of Top Developers and how it is beneficial for all freshers as well as developers. Let's see. That what's the problems is faced by the developers or freshers. They have skills what they don't have any kind of proof by which they can say that I have these skills. So Top Developers provides a platform for them. They can create their own URL, like you can say that I have knowledge about C, C++, ASP.NET. So if you have those skills, on Top Developers we have some examination based on them. Like you can give your examination of ASP.NET, PHP, Drupal, C, C++, blah blah blah. So you want to show skills in ASP.NET, then you have to face a examination. It's a 20 minutes examination. If you cleared this examination, then we will verify your skills. If you face any kind of interview, then you can say that I have a URL, like as I told you that your name is John Mass and you have skills about .NET. Your domain will be topdevelopers.co.in/.NET developers/John Mass. If you click on this URL, your web page will be opened where your all skills information will be there, as well as your proved skills or you are certified our website. This provide a platform. This is like open source. Anybody can build his skills or will build his resume. You will find some tutorials that how to use those tutorials. You will learn ASP.NET, PHP, Drupal, Oracle, Salesforce, Ruby on Rails and other useful platforms. So if you go on topdevelopers.co.in, then you will find our website. So how you can register on that? Just go on registration button where you can register here. So my first video is based on Java. What's the need of Java? How we can compare Java with ASP.NET and PHP? Let's see. Java is a platform independent application based software. So if you have hosting on Windows or Linux, you can make your application in Java. It's the user choice or developer choice that if you want to upload his website on Linux based server, he can do. If you want to upload his website on Windows server, he can do. So it provides this flexibility for all developers. That's why Java is most useful for all the persons. Java programs, there are two types of programs in Java. First one is Java application and second one is Java applets. Java applications are used for socket programming, exception handling and multi-threading. What if you're concerned about the Java applets? Java applets is used to create some client server architecture based applications. We will cover in our tutorials all the Java programming. first of all we will discuss about the core Java, then we will discuss about advanced Java, then enterprise Java. So keep in touch with top developers, build your skills, give the examination verified by top developers. Thank you for watching this video. We will upload soon more videos based on Java, ASP.NET. You can subscribe our channel on YouTube. Thank you very much for